Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can exit Huawei recovery mode. So as you can see, my Huawei smartphone is currently in the recovery mode directly. Now, in order to exit it, you will need to, tap at the restart option. Then your system will boot itself up again and, you can continue using your smartphone as usual. In order to select it, you can either navigate with volume rocker, volume up and down keys, and then hit the power button to select, or you can also do that using the touchscreen as well. And then your device gets reboot or restarted into the system, and you can continue from where you have left off. Anyway, that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.